Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk to you about two things. I'm going to first talk to you about how PPF can save your paint, and then I'm also going to talk about Autobahn Incognito's no-fault warranty. Now, Autobahn Incognito already carries a lifetime warranty, but we also have a no-fault warranty. So I'm going to tell you about that right after this. Okay, so check this out. See this right here? It looks like a pretty big slice in the paint of this Ford F150 King Ranch. So we put Autobahn Incognito PPF on this in the summer, and about 7 months ago, and somebody damaged this client's vehicle. And now, if you didn't have PPF, this would 100% be all the way through the paint, and it would be so deep that you would absolutely require a repaint of the panel. But in this case, I'm going to show you. And we've already heated this up so it comes off nice and easy. Right here is where we would have the damage on the paint. And there isn't a single scratch on this paint. It's amazing. There's no scratching, not even a hint of a scratch, yet you saw how deep it was that it penetrated that film. So that's pretty awesome. So that's the one thing that I want to talk to you about first. Okay, so what are the differences between the warranties? Autobahn offers a lifetime warranty on Incognito PPF, and that covers yellowing, cracking, fading, film defects. Now, the no-fault warranty, which is an industry-leading warranty, covers environmental damage that is not covered under the lifetime warranty. So, in the case of this scratch or this damage to the film, the lifetime warranty would not cover that. That's just life. You know, if you got into a car accident, the same thing, the lifetime warranty is not going to cover you. But the no-fault warranty gives you a one-time $250 credit towards replacing a panel of your choice that was damaged by the environment. So some people use it for this particular instance, and some people use it if, say, for example, over time, their bumper gets peppered with too many deep rock chips that start to damage the film. So it's a great thing for our clients because stuff happens just like this, and they want their panel to look nice and good, just like the time they picked it up. So now we're gonna install the new fender on this fender here. Okay, so you can clearly see why there is a benefit to having Autobahn paint protection film. It's the no-fault warranty. It's going to save your paint. So come check it out. Come book with us when you're ready.